Prepare for IELTS Grade 10, Reading Unit 10 Ecotourism. Passage 1. Nowadays, people are more aware that wildlife all over the world is in danger. Many species of animals are threatened, and easily become extinct if we do not make an effort to protect them. There are many reasons for this. In some cases, animals are hunted for their fur or for other valuable parts of their bodies. Some birds, such as parrots, are caught for living and sold as pets. For many animals and birds, the problem is that their habitat, the place where they live, is disappearing. More land is used for farms, for houses or industry, and there are fewer open spaces than there once were. Farmers use powerful chemicals to help them grow better crops, but these chemicals pollute the environment and harm the wildlife. The most successful animals on Earth, human beings, will soon be the only ones left, unless we can solve this problem. Passage 2. Disney World was constructed a decade ago on 27,400 acres of partially swamp land in central Florida. 8,000 of these acres constitute a wildlife sanctuary not accessible to the 130 million people from around the world who have been to Disney World since its opening. The park opens at 9 a.m. and shuts down at various hours, depending upon the time of the year, 6, 9 or midnight. On a busy day as many as 90,000 visitors may be in the park. There are so many activities available that there is plenty of room for everybody. The Magic Kingdom is the main section, but there are hotels, restaurants, a lagoon, and a huge lake with 4.5 miles of beaches where visitors swim or paddle around in rented boats. A reasonable estimate of the cost per person daily is about $60, excluding transportation costs to Orlando.
Listening. Exercise 1. Listen and complete the blanks. Of all the natural wonders of the world, few are as spectacular as Niagara Falls. Situated on the Niagara River along the border between the United States and Canada, Niagara Falls actually consists of two falls, the American Falls and the Horseshoe Falls. The former is on the U.S. side of the border, in the state of New York, while the latter is on the Canadian side. About 85% of the water in Niagara River flows over the Horseshoe Falls, which is the most impressive of the two falls. About 10 million people visit the falls each year, most during the summer tourist season. Sightseers can ride steamers up close to the boiling water of the falls, or view them from the parks on both sides of the river. Niagara has long been a popular honeymoon destination for newlyweds. Exercise 2. Listen to the text and answer the question. Forest has always been important to people. In the past, many people got food by hunting forest animals and gathering wild plants. With the addition, fewer people now live in forests, but the forests are fewer, though more valuable than ever. Forests have an important economic value as they provide us with resources with timber. Forests are vital to the environment despite they clean the air we breathe. Forests are also treasured in their beauty. But now forests are badly destroyed. We need to launch a green campaign to protect the environment before it's too late.